Racing for the last and final race tonight here at the SLLP. We have sa wakas break quickly at the start, moving upon the outside just a moment. Extreme Power comes next, fly now. Boss Lady then followed by Shibum. Sea of Galilee, Fernand Icaufarin, One of Roses beat the hit, while Western Dancer is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Sawakas is running by the rail, and on the outside comes just a moment. Moving upon the outside, Boss Lady. Shibum is down on the inside. Fly now, then followed over by entry number 9, Extreme Power. Fernan Icaufarin is also there. Sea of Galilee. Next on line is Wine and Roses. Then followed over by Western Dancer. While Beat the hit is still racing in 11th. Another part turn, we have Sawakas maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Just a moment in second, moving up by the fly now, and on the outside comes Boss Lady. Sea of Galilee comes next, then followed over by entry number 10, Fernan Icaufarin. Alongside comes Extreme Power, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Sawakas moving upon the outside is Boss Lady to take the lead as they swing for home. Sawakas, Boss Lady is on the outside. Keep on parallel for the lead with about 100 meters of the race. Sawakas, Boss Lady is on the outside. Fly now is down in third. We have Boss Lady followed by Sawakas by the rail, and finally it's Boss Lady. Sawakas, Fly now. Fernan Icaufarin, then comes Western Dancer.
Okay, so yan po. Boss Lady, 845-10-3. Hindi ko nakita yung pang-anim at hindi ko narinig kung sino yung pang-anim natin. Anyway, doing 139, quarters of 19, 25 and a half, 25 and a half, and finishing at 29. Total time nga ni Boss Lady is 139. As you take a good look on rider, the birthday boy, Christopher Bermudez Tamano, going back to the scales to confirm yung kanyang handicap weight na 55 sa kanyang weigh-in. Isa lang ang sakay ni Tope, pero nanalo. Boss Lady, magandang pa-birthday yan. Kahapon, nagpanalo rin yan, Crowning Glory. At yan po ang istorya ng ating huling karera. Binabati rin yan ni Ninong Robert Bautista, si CB Tamano, ng happy birthday. Kaibigan natin dyan sa Jegs Bar and Grill OTV. Sana po naibigan nyo yung ating karera for today. Kila Leo Ocampo and Chairman Oliver Franco. Pati na rin